Hey guys, this is Vincent, and today I'm bringing you a unboxing and first look at the Asus Transformer Book Trio. Now this computer here has two processors. It has a Intel Atom Z2560 and a i5 4200U. This also has 500 gigabyte of SATA storage at 5400 RPM and a 16 gigabyte SSD. This tablet runs Android and Windows 8 simultaneously, and there's a button in there that you can click to switch back and forth. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now this is just a nice carrying case that you can carry it in. And this is the Transformer Book Trio. As you can see, it has dual operating systems, a full IPS display. It has dual processors, Google Play, high capacity storage. Let's put that aside for now and check what else is in the box. Now this is the keyboard of the Transformer Book Trio. It's pretty heavy, but it feels nice. Also inside the box we have a cable tie, instruction manual, warranty guide, safety, user manual, and on the back here we have a microfiber cleaning cloth by Asus. And that's it for this compartment. Now onto this side is a USB wall adapter. This looks like Nexus 7 one if you guys have ever seen it. And this is the wall adapter and a USB to micro USB. And that is about it. Let's put this aside and check out the tablet. So let's peel off this plastic on the back here. And peel out the plastic on the screen. And let's also unwrap the keyboard. So on this tablet, on the bottom you'll see a headphone jack, two hinge connectors, these are magnetic, and a dock connector, micro USB, and a micro SD slot. On this side you'll find microphone, camera, speakers, volume rocker, power button, and the power light indicator. And the other side will be another speaker, and that's it for this tablet, and also a front-facing camera. And on the keyboard there will be a microphone jack, a USB, and some light indicators. Now these are the hinges that attaches the tablet. This is another light indicator. On the other side we have a powered hole for power, USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, and mini HDMI or micro HDMI. And that's it for this is what. So this is the keyboard, and it is a full aluminum construction. You see the back is brushed aluminum just like the tablet, and over here it's also aluminum. Really nice, really sturdy. Now let's try logging into this. Type in my password. Change by time zone. Mountain time. Finish. So this is the Android side, and so I have got both of them to work. So you just click this, press the button, and you switch between Windows 8 and Android like almost instantly. But for it to actually switch between it almost instantly, Android and Windows 8 have to be on. If you turn off one of them and you switch to, like, say you turned off Android and you went to Windows and you powered off the Android side and you want to switch back to Android, when you switch to Android, the system actually boot back up Android. So they have to be both on to be switching almost instantly. So it is quite an amazing tablet, having both the productivity of Windows 8 and the awesomeness of Android. So if you undock it, you actually lose the Windows side. And the Android version, it is 4.4.2. Not the latest version of Android. It's still on Jelly Bean, but hopefully Asus will come out with some Android updates and this will be on a different version soon.